The game presents a two-part challenge. Here in Level 1, the first task is to unscramble the sentence by dragging the words into the correct order. The user arranges the words to form the sentence. This platform is a useful tool for teachers. After getting the sentence correct, the second part of the challenge begins. A sliding puzzle using the same words. The user quickly solves the puzzle, completing Level 1 in just 16 seconds. In Level 2, the user unscrambles the next set of words into the sentence. Teachers assign to students what content to play. They then proceed to the sliding puzzle for Level 2, arranging the tiles to match the sentence. With Level 2 complete, the user moves to the final challenge, Level 3, unscrambling a more complex sentence. A larger 4x4 sliding puzzle, which requires more time and moves to solve. The user successfully completes the final level, finishing the entire demo.
Next, we see the teacher's perspective. Clicking on Manage Game Content, we see the different lesson categories for each grade. The teacher can expand a category to view, edit, or delete individual game levels. The platform features an enhanced curriculum assistant. This powerful tool allows teachers to add game levels in bulk by simply pasting text or uploading a file. Back on the dashboard, the teacher can manage students for each class. Using the Add Bulk feature, the teacher pastes a large text about cellular biology directly into the curriculum assistant. After processing the text, the assistant automatically breaks it down into 26 successful, game-ready levels. The teacher can review and edit each one before finalizing. The teacher now uploads an entire PDF document using the Add Bulk feature. The text from the PDF is extracted and processed. Incredibly, the system generates over 7,800 game levels from this single file. The teacher can then scroll through the thousands of generated levels, ready to be assigned to students, showcasing the platform's impressive efficiency.
Let's see the student's perspective. The student enters their unique login ID and password to access the Slide Student Portal. The dashboard welcomes them by name and displays their class information, current learning progress, and a detailed history of their past game attempts. To start a new session, the student clicks Play Game. They see the lessons assigned by their teacher, select the music category, choose Level 1, and launch the game. They are now ready to tackle the first level, starting with the Sentence Unscramble challenge, putting their language skills to the test.